Hello friends, welcome to ANKUSH experiments. In this video, I will show you that how to change message notification tone in WhatsApp. When a message come, then we hear a notification sound and we can change the sound. So let's start the video. I will show you how to change the sound. So this is WhatsApp. I am opening WhatsApp and click the three dot and go to settings. Here you can see some options. You have to go the notification group and call tones option and click on this. Here you can see messages and notification tone. Click on this and you can change from here. So I have chosen this and press OK. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you can, please share the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.